Today we dive into a mouth-watering journey, unveiling Italy's top 25 must-try foods. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or a curious traveler, prepare to embark on the ultimate Italian gastronomic adventure. Buon appetito! Number 20. Saffron Risotto. Originating from the bustling streets of Milan, Saffron Risotto, or as the locals call it, risotto alla Milanese, is a dish steeped in history and flavor. Legend has it that the dish was created in the 16th century, when a master glazier who used saffron to stain glass decided to add it to a risotto during his daughter's wedding feast, giving birth to this golden delight. The primary ingredients are arborio rice, saffron threads, onions, white wine, and rich bone marrow broth. The slow cooking process melds these ingredients, resulting in a creamy, aromatic dish with a characteristic golden hue. The saffron not only lends color, but also an earthy depth, making it a favorite in Milanese households. Often paired with ossobuco, this dish is a beautiful marriage of simplicity and sophistication. When in Milan, missing out on this delicacy would be a culinary crime. Number 19. Vitello Tonnato. After savoring the creamy delight of Milan's saffron risotto, let's journey to the northwest region of Piedmont. There, we stumble upon a dish that might seem unusual at first, but is a true representation of Italian creativity, Vitello Tonnato. This cold sliced veal is covered in a creamy sauce made primarily from tuna, anchovies, capers, and mayonnaise. The story goes that the dish was born out of the necessity to preserve meat in the hot summer months, and what better way than with a rich, salty sauce? While the combination of veal and tuna might raise eyebrows, the flavors meld beautifully. The tender, thinly sliced veal contrasts with the robust, tangy sauce, creating a harmonious blend of land and sea. It's a refreshing appetizer, especially in the sweltering Italian summers, and showcases how Italians masterfully marry diverse ingredients to create culinary masterpieces. Number 18. Mozzarella Cheese. Having explored the delicate dance of flavors in Vitello Tonnato, let's set our sights further south. Descending to the picturesque coastline of Campania, we find a dairy masterpiece loved worldwide. Yes, it's none other than the creamy, dreamy mozzarella cheese. When discussing Italy's culinary marvels, mozzarella deserves its spotlight. This soft white cheese originates from the Campania region and has become synonymous with Italian cuisine worldwide. Traditionally made from the milk of water buffaloes, mozzarella is appreciated for its delicate and fresh flavor. The process involves curdling the milk, extracting the curd, and then stretching and kneading it until it achieves its signature smooth, elastic texture. The cheese is then shaped into balls and stored in brine. The result? A milky, slightly tangy flavor that's unparalleled. Best enjoyed fresh, it's the crowning glory on pizzas, a staple in caprese salads, and sublime when simply drizzled with olive oil and a sprinkle of salt. Number 17. Tiramisù. Tiramisù, aptly named pick-me-up in Italian, is a dessert that has won hearts globally. Hailing from the Veneto region, this layered delight is a dance of flavors and textures. It starts with ladyfingers soaked in strong espresso, and sometimes a dash of liqueur, which are then layered with a rich mixture of mascarpone cheese, eggs, and sugar. The dessert is dusted with cocoa powder, contrasting the sweet and creamy layers with a bitter contrast. While its origins are often debated, with various Italian regions claiming it as their own, there's no dispute over its deliciousness. Each spoonful promises a creamy, coffee-soaked dream, making it an irresistible end to any Italian meal. Number 16. Pasta alla norma. From the sun-kissed shores of Sicily comes pasta alla norma, a dish that sings praises of the island's rich produce. Eggplant, the star ingredient, is fried to golden perfection and then combined with a simple tomato sauce and tossed with pasta. A generous sprinkle of grated ricotta salata cheese and fresh basil completes this dish. Legend has it that the dish is a tribute to the opera Norma by the Sicilian composer Vincenzo Bellini. Just like the opera, this pasta dish strikes a perfect harmony, making it a classic in Sicilian cuisine. Number 15. Orecchiette. Orecchiette, meaning little ears in Italian, hails from the southern region of Puglia. These small ear-shaped pasta have a unique texture, perfect for holding onto hearty sauces. Traditionally, cooks make them by hand, pressing and shaping the dough with their thumbs. A classic way to enjoy them is with cime di rapa, or broccoli rabe, sautéed in olive oil with garlic, anchovies, and chili. The slightly bitter greens complement the pasta's chewy texture, creating a simple yet unforgettable dish that showcases the beauty of Italian cooking. Few ingredients, big flavors. Number 14. Focaccia. Originating from the coastal regions of Liguria and Genoa, focaccia stands as a testament to the beauty of Italian baking. This olive oil-rich, flat, oven-baked bread has a soft interior and a slightly crispy crust. While the simplest versions are seasoned with just sea salt and olive oil, many variants are garnished with fresh rosemary, olives, caramelized onions, or even sun-dried tomatoes. Focaccia serves as a versatile bread, perfect for dipping in soups, slicing for sandwiches, or even enjoying as a pizza base. Its rich history traces back to ancient Rome, where it was called panis focaccius, and it has since become a beloved staple in Italian cuisine. Number 13. Arancini. A crispy, golden delight from the heart of Sicily, arancini are deep-fried rice balls filled with many ingredients ranging from ragu, meat sauce, mozzarella, peas, to even a buttery saffron risotto. Their name, which translates to little oranges, perfectly describes their appearance but belies the savory explosion inside. Historically, arancini finds its roots in 10th century Arab Sicily, showcasing the island's rich tapestry of culinary influences. These bite-sized morsels, with their perfect contrast of crunchy exterior and creamy interior, are often enjoyed as a snack or starter, making them an irresistible treat for both locals and tourists. Number 12. Lasagna alla Bolognese. An emblematic dish from the Emilia-Romagna region, lasagna alla Bolognese is layers upon layers of culinary perfection. This dish boasts alternating sheets of pasta, rich Bolognese meat sauce, creamy bechamel, and a generous sprinkling of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Origin stories suggest that this hearty dish was first enjoyed during the Middle Ages and has evolved over the centuries to the mouth-watering masterpiece we know today. Perfect for family gatherings, its deeply satisfying flavors epitomize the essence of Italian comfort food. Number 11. Tagliatelle with Ragù. From the same culinary heartland of Emilia-Romagna comes another pasta masterpiece, tagliatelle with Ragù. Unlike the commonly misconceived spaghetti bolognese, this dish pairs wide, flat ribbons of tagliatelle pasta with a slow-cooked, meaty Ragù sauce. The sauce, brimming with finely minced beef, pork, tomatoes, and a melange of aromatic vegetables, clings beautifully to the pasta. It's a dish that showcases the Italian commitment to simplicity, quality ingredients, and the magic of time in cooking. Brace yourselves, food lovers. We're now entering the top 10, where each dish isn't just a meal, but an emblem of Italy's rich culinary legacy. These are the flavors that have traveled continents, won hearts, and made Italian cuisine a global favorite. Number 10. Pesto. Dive into the aromatic world of Ligurian cuisine with pesto, a green, garlicky, and nutty sauce that captures the essence of the Italian Riviera. Made from freshly picked basil, pine nuts, garlic, Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, pecorino cheese, and extra virgin olive oil, this uncooked sauce is traditionally pounded to perfection using a mortar and pestle. The word pesto itself derives from the Genoese verb pesta, which means to pound or crush. Whether slathered on pasta, drizzled on pizza, or spread on a sandwich, pesto offers a burst of fresh, herby flavor that transports you straight to the sun-kissed coast of Liguria. Number 9. Agnolotti. Hailing from the Piedmont region, agnolotti are delightful little pockets of pasta joy. These half-moon-shaped dumplings are traditionally filled with a mix of roasted meats and served with a simple butter and sage sauce, or a rich meat broth. The story goes that they were invented by an Italian chef named Angiolino, or Angelot. and over time his name transformed into the dish's name, agnolotti. A bite into these delicacies reveals the nuanced flavors of the filling and the soft embrace of the pasta, representing the meticulous art of Italian pasta making. Number 8. Carbonara. A Roman classic, carbonara is the epitome of Italian culinary alchemy. With just a few basic ingredients, guanciale, cured pork cheek, pecorino romano cheese, eggs, and black pepper, this dish transforms simple spaghetti into a creamy, flavorful delight. Legend has it that carbonara was a favorite among the carbonari, charcoal workers, due to its easy-to-source ingredients and quick cooking time. Each twirl of pasta brings forth a perfect balance of creamy sauce, crispy pork, and the sharpness of the cheese, making it a must-try for anyone visiting Italy. Number 7. Gorgonzola Cheese. Taking its name from the town of Gorgonzola near Milan, this blue cheese is one of Italy's oldest cheeses and a testament to the country's dairy artistry. Produced from whole cows or goat's milk, Gorgonzola is known for its distinctive blue-green veins and creamy texture. There are two main types, dolce, sweet, and picante, spicy. While the dolce variety is soft and spreadable with a mild flavor, the picante version is firmer and offers a sharper taste. Beyond its use in salads and pasta dishes, Gorgonzola shines when paired with honey, fruits, or a glass of bold Italian red wine. Its rich history and unique flavor profile make it an essential tasting experience in Italy's culinary landscape. Number 6. Panettone. A Christmas staple, panettone hails from Milan and has become synonymous with Italian holiday festivities. This tall, dome-shaped sweetbread is punctuated with candied fruits and raisins, delivering a soft and fluffy texture with every bite. There's an old Milanese tale that the bread was named after a baker named Tony who accidentally invented it, hence pane di Tony, Tony's bread. While enjoyed during the festive season, many also savor it with a glass of sweet wine or a dollop of mascarpone cream, making it a treat that transcends seasons. Number 5. Cacio e pepe. Directly translating to cheese and pepper, cacio e pepe is Roman simplicity at its finest. This ancient dish uses just 3 ingredients, pecorino romano cheese, black pepper, and pasta. The magic lies in the technique, as the cheese and pepper are emulsified with pasta water to create a creamy, velvety sauce that clings to every strand. Rooted in Roman shepherds' traditions, who carried these non-perishable ingredients with them, the dish has stood the test of time and remains a beloved staple in Roman trattorias. Number 4. Parmigiano Reggiano Cheese. Known as the king of cheeses, Parmigiano Reggiano holds a special place in Italy's culinary heartland. Originating from the provinces of Parma and Reggio Emilia, this hard, granular cheese undergoes an aging process of at least 12 months, resulting in a rich, nutty flavor and crystalline texture. Its production follows strict traditional methods, and each wheel of cheese is a testament to generations of dairy craftsmanship. Whether it's grated over pasta, paired with balsamic vinegar, or enjoyed in chunks, Parmigiano Reggiano elevates every dish and tasting experience with its unmatched depth of flavor. Number 3. Sicilian Cannolo. Hold on to your taste buds because we're venturing into the creme de la creme of Italian gastronomy. These top 3 dishes are the titans of taste, the legends of La Cucina Italiana. Let's unveil the magic that's been simmering in Italy's kitchens for centuries. A sweet symphony from the sun-kissed lands of Sicily, the cannolo, singular of cannoli, is a dessert that epitomizes the region's rich culinary tapestry. Crispy, deep-fried pastry tubes encase a luscious filling of ricotta cheese, often sweetened with sugar and dotted with candied fruits or chocolate chips. Legend says that cannoli originated during the Arabic rule in Sicily, symbolizing fertility during carnival season. Today, from the bustling streets of Palermo to upscale patisseries worldwide, the cannolo remains an emblem of Sicilian pride and sweet indulgence. Number 2. Amatriciana. Hailing from the town of Amatrice in Lazio, Amatriciana is a robust pasta sauce that captures the essence of Italian countryside cooking. Traditionally made with guanciale, pork cheek, pecorino cheese, tomato, and a hint of chili, The sauce is rich, tangy, and slightly spicy. Often served with bucatini or spaghetti, Amatriciana has its roots in the older dish, gricia, which predates the introduction of tomatoes to Italy. This dish is not just a meal, it's a journey through time, celebrating the evolution of Italian culinary traditions. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. The zenith of Italian culinary artistry. A dish so iconic it needs no introduction, yet its story is worth telling time and again. Number 1. Pizza Margherita. The crowning jewel of Naples and, by extension, global cuisine, the Pizza Margherita is the epitome of Italian culinary prowess. A simple yet sublime combination of San Marzano tomatoes, fresh mozzarella cheese, fresh basil, and olive oil on a thin, blistered crust. This pizza is a tribute to the Italian flag with its red, white, and green ingredients. Legend has it that the Margherita was named in honor of Queen Margherita of Savoy in 1889. However, beyond royal tales, every bite of this pizza is a testament to the beauty of Italian simplicity, where fresh ingredients and traditional methods create an unforgettable symphony of flavors. Wait! Before we wrap up, we've got some bonus delights for you. While Italy's renowned dishes have certainly earned their fame, some lesser-known culinary gems are just as delicious and deserve a spotlight of their own. Here are 5 more Italian dishes that you might not have heard of, but are an absolute must-try when you're in the country. Farinata. Originating from the coastal region of Liguria, Farinata is a delectable, thin, and crispy pancake made primarily from chickpea flour, olive oil, and water. Often infused with rosemary, this savory treat is baked in large open oven pans until it reaches its characteristic golden hue. Its simplicity is its strength, with the chickpea flour giving it a slightly nutty flavor. In some regions, you might also come across variations with added toppings like onions or artichokes. Mortadella Bologna. Mortadella Bologna is not just any sausage. It's a testament to Bologna's rich culinary history. This finely ground pork sausage is characterized by its smooth texture, punctuated with delightful chunks of fat, often enhanced with pistachios or peppercorns. While it's a key ingredient in many Italian dishes, it's also perfect when sliced thin and savored on its own or with some crusty bread. Gnocchi alla Sorrentina. Hailing from the scenic town of Sorrento, gnocchi alla Sorrentina is comfort food at its best. Imagine soft potato dumplings baked to perfection in a rich, tangy tomato sauce. But that's not all. The dish is layered with melting mozzarella and crowned with fresh basil. Each bite is a harmonious blend of flavors and textures, capturing the essence of the Amalfi Coast. Pizzoccheri. From the snowy Alps of Lombardy comes pizzoccheri, a hearty and heartwarming dish. These short, flat buckwheat noodles carry the robustness of mountain cuisine. Cooked along with potatoes and cabbage or Swiss chard, they are then layered with generous bits of Valtellina Casera cheese. The final touch is a drizzle of garlic sautéed butter, making it a rich, melt-in-the-mouth experience. Pappa al Pomodoro. Pappa al Pomodoro is Tuscany's answer to the age-old question, what to do with stale bread? This thick, rustic soup combines ripe tomatoes, old Tuscan bread, olive oil, garlic, and basil. Slow cooked to perfection, it transforms into a savory, filling, and flavorful stew. It's a testament to Italian ingenuity, turning simple ingredients into a dish that's greater than the sum of its parts. And there you have it, a whirlwind culinary journey through the heart of Italy. From the creamy risottos of Milan to the iconic Pizza Margherita of Naples, we've savored the flavors that define Italian gastronomy. But remember, while this list showcases 25 must-try dishes, Italy's culinary landscape is vast and varied. So, the next time you find yourself wandering the cobbled streets of an Italian town, let your senses guide you. Seek out local trattorias, chat with the nonnas, and dive deep into a world of flavors waiting to be discovered. Italy's culinary story is one of passion, tradition, and innovation. Every bite tells a tale. Buon appetito, and until our next food adventure.